Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to take your BMW trunk closing from this to this. All right guys, so this tutorial that we're about to show you will work for any of the BMW G series. So whether it's a 3 Series, 4 Series, 5 Series, 7 Series, X3 that we'll show you in a few. We did it on my X3, X5, X7. It should all be the same coding parameters. The only thing you're going to need is a Windows laptop and an Ethernet cable. If you guys are uncomfortable doing this coding yourself, hit us up down below at EM Performance. We can do it for you remotely. It's a pretty simple coding feature to do on your car, so let's get into it. All right, everyone, so we are currently in ESIS. We have ESIS connected to the car. This is on a G20. If you guys don't know how to use ESIS, I'll have some videos on my channel of how to use it, or you can contact us. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to load up your car, connect to it, and click Read ECU. From there, we're going to look for this module right here, HKFM2, and then you're going to go to your CAFD file, and you're going to click Read Coding Data. After that, you're going to get this file. Click Edit NCD. Search this word right here, profile, close, stop, and we are going to look for these four. This one right here, so this is close stop node 1, POS, node stop 1, PWM, node stop 2, POS, node stop 2, PWM. Then we are going to come down here, and we are going to set the value under word. We're going to set it to 0, 0, comma, A0, and we are going to do that for all four of these. To do it, you're going to right click, just click edit, and then down here you can actually type it, and then right here you can click save. That's grayed out. So as you can see, I did it for this one, so these four all have it, and that is good. And then when you're done, you can click save. I already clicked save. We also enabled some other things. There's some cheat sheets inside of ESIS Ultra if you guys are using it. It is awesome. So we're actually going to enable these as well. So we're going to disable the long hold, and we're going to be able to close with no hold. So actually this one should be fine, but we'll enable them both. And we can see what the actual German description is, the current value, the new value. I'm going to click apply there. Applied all that. This is all set. Click save again. We're going to go back, and now we're going to click code NCD, and this will actually send the new CAFD file that we edited. It will send it to the car, and this will be doing the trunk module. So we'll close that out, and then one thing I like to do after coding, I like to read errors, and I like to give them a clear. All right, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a very quick coding video on how to do a soft close trunk on your BMW G series. It's something pretty cool to code. You can technically code this in with Beamer code if you have that. Again, just follow the same parameters. Go to the trunk module, search the parameters that I showed. I'll have them put down in the description. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions at all, if you have any requests on things you want to see coded into your BMW, let us know. I'll also have a video posted on more extensively how to use ESIS because it's an awesome program. So yeah, thank you guys so much. If you want us to code this in, I'll have EM Performance linked down below so you can do that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.